team, heading into the usual spot. Got the wee Tika 308 bush pig. Got one of these new brakes on the end of the suppressor, handy bit of kit. And just put the dialable Boris HD back on it. It had a hot over scope on it for a bit, but yeah. Might end up dialing it down an animal today, hopefully. Hopefully we'll shoot something a bit closer than that, so see how we go. Go fill the freezer. Oh wow, I just wasted the best part of the morning. Bloody just walking along about 200 yards away, thought I'd spotted a deer with the binos. Just on light. So got in a good shooting position, sat there, waited. No, couldn't make out the whole deer. Just see its rear end and whatnot. Looked like it was just lying down sleeping. And eventually enough light rolled on. And it was a bloody dead one. I don't know if it was whole. It looked pretty whole. But yeah, bit of a bugger. Wasted the best part of the day. Oh well, we'll head down here. Hopefully next video will be saying I've spotted. Catch you down there. Oh well, not the deer I was wanting to show you. Just got to the river and down to the main valley, and a couple of hunters leading me to the crunch. Didn't actually see them back there, so if they stayed the night in the hut, they'd already beat me down to the river flats anyway, so it's part of the fun. Looks like they're getting wet feet, so they've either shot something or they've spotted something worth going after. It's all good. Mosey along and see what we can spot. I've just spotted a wee fellow. It's not out in the open yet. I'll just keep an eye on him. In range, 430 yards, easily in range. For the wee 308. Oh, he's going to go out of sight, isn't he? That bugger. I'll wait here a second, see if he comes out, or if there's another one with him that might come out. Oh well, probably could have got a shot at him, but didn't want to risk it trying to feed it through just on the edge of that tree. That's all good. I'll sneak up a bit further. He's not spooked. Might get another look at him. He's just heading into a thicker patch though, so be interesting. Oh well, sorry to the guys across from me. If they're watching this, probably think I'm a dick. But yeah, deer presented a shot over here. I've seen a lot of animals not even flinch up on the hill after being shot after having animals shot nearby them. So they're well used to bullets going off, rounds going off here. So anyway, we've all seen that shot, looked pretty promising. Looks slightly low, tucked in behind the shoulder, something like that. But pretty good. Yeah, good size animal, good size red deer. So yeah, go up there and have a look, see how well it went. Just getting a bit worried there for a second. About 50 yards too far down the hill, looking at the wrong pine tree. I zoomed the camera too far and didn't give myself enough landmarks. It's all good. And I'd re-watch that footage at least 8 times on slow motion, making sure the shot was good. A wee bit far back, but still pretty good. Got some lung bud there, so happy days. Track through this way and shouldn't be too far. Oh, that took a while. It's bloody steep up in there. It's just there. I'll just throw it down there. She's up there about 20 metres. We've got 40 yards from where I shot her. Shot was way bit far back, just clipped the lungs, so near enough, but ran a bit. That's all good, pretty standard. Hit those ranges with the W308, did the job, so pretty happy. We'll get her down there and shouldn't be any meat damage, so we'll start processing her and take everything we can. Exactly what we came in here for. Back stakes, back wheels, front shoulders. Got a little bit of the neck meat off. She's heavy. It's a big hind. It's all good. Man, I didn't bring a little day pack. She won't fit a little. Go the 65 litre, or whatever it is. Oh, how good. Got plenty of traction going through that river. Sweet as. Oh well. We'll get going out of here. Get home. Very good. I'll let you know if something exciting happens. Whew. Can trudge with a heavy pack on. Oh, foot traffic this place sees. It snow's about a fortnight old. Oh no, closer to a week old actually, I'd say. Madness. Oh well, everyone can't be shooting deer because there's still the old one left. Bloody wicked easement. Being able to see animals that you're going to go hunt so close up. This is a bloody cool spot. Almost at the truck. Got a good old burn going on the shoulders. Pack must weigh about 40 kilos I reckon. How good.